Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cup of soup. First, choose your favorite flavor packet. Next, you'll need to boil water. A kettle works great for this, bringing water to a hot, steamy temperature. Finally, grab your favorite mug or bowl, ensuring it's clean and ready to hold your delicious, warm soup. This simple preparation sets you up for a quick and satisfying meal. Once your water is hot, carefully open the soup packet and pour its contents into your chosen mug. Now, slowly add the hot water, usually about 8 ounces, over the soup mix. Use a spoon to stir everything thoroughly, making sure there are no dry clumps at the bottom. This ensures all the flavors blend perfectly. Let it sit for about 1 minute to steep. After steeping, your cup of soup is almost ready. Give it another gentle stir and let it cool for a moment so it's not too hot to enjoy. If you like, you can add some crackers, a pinch of salt, or a dash of pepper to enhance the flavor. Now, find a cozy spot and savor your warm, delicious, and incredibly easy-to-make cup of soup. It's perfect for a quick snack. For even faster preparation, you can heat water in the microwave for about 90 seconds. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of water you add to achieve your preferred soup consistency, whether you like it thicker or a bit more brothy. Also, for those who love efficient meal prep, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They make organizing your meals a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.